So a lot of the emphasis on the phonetics and vocalising the word for me is when they get into the workplace and they are both a product of our finished education system, as well as being able to function in the workplace. With the phonetics, they're able to communicate with the employer or the customers and get their point across.
Now when we're dealing with the customer, we may use different words. We may not use the same terminology as what we may use when we're talking to a tradesman or another expert in the area that we're working in. So one thing's really important is to get the learners to understand the different language. Now that also includes the jargon of the trade. So if it's a tradesman to tradesman talking, we may use different words for a task or describing a product or a system that we're using. But it's really important that you do actually know the correct terminologies for things. And just some good examples of that, and especially in the plumbing industry, is things like hot water systems. Now the customer may refer to their hot water system as a mains pressure system, but as a tradesman we call that a high pressure system. So actually get them to do something like a job sheet where they can describe what they were doing and what they found and what they needed to do to be able to fix the problem.
The reason most students and even myself got into the trade was because we wanted to use our hands and not use them for writing. So by the end of school we're pretty much over writing things, but unfortunately life doesn't work like that and we need to know literacy to go along with our trades. We also use project boards so we can put them on the wall with varying stages of where they're at with their project. Alongside this we can put all the literacy and numeracy to do with this project as well, so we can name the tools, see the stages where they're at and what progress they've got to that stage. One really helpful tip is to use a whiteboard in your workshop so we can draw things as we're going. We can draw tools, we can draw different scenarios, we can label each piece. You can get the students to do it. Students love to draw on the board, so the more they do the better.